What's going on, everyone? We're going to take a look at Apple. So the reason I'm making a video on Apple relatively has been holding up pretty strong. Now understand the market is in a range here. We're in an area of consolidation across the board. Stock ranges are tight. Stocks are moving up, they're moving back down. They're just pretty much been going sideways for 7 going on 8 days. With that being said, just kind of taking a look at where Apple stands. Now, to be honest, Apple is not appealing to me long or short right now, okay? More so, I was interested in Apple coming out of that 145 range because that was going to break into a new channel with a potential leg up. You can see here when we came down and tested this 200-day moving average on the 1 hour time frame, we got back into this range here of about 145, and I knew we had potential into 151. It's just a channel. We're just going to play in between the lines. If you go back to kindergarten, go back to preschool, they told you to stay in the lines, color within the lines, you're going to be okay. As long as we can color within the lines, we're going to be okay. Now, this trading environment also is not really giving those quick and easy scalps where you can kind of, see everything very, very clearly. Sometimes things are shooting up, they're coming right back down. They're going down, they're coming right back up. It's making it very, very tough. So you're going to have to allow yourself a bigger area for the stock to kind of move around, especially when you're in the middle of a range, okay? And that's exactly what's going on here. Apple stock is in the middle of its range, that range being between 140 and 151, okay? So if we're trading in the middle of a range, things are going to be very, very spready. Things are going to be, it's going to feel like everything's moving like a slug. We're going to go up and go back down. So what I'm looking at here on Apple, we're currently losing the 1 hour 20 SMA here. We do got the 50 EMA sitting where it's kind of acted as an area of support. I would expect this area to hold, right? 147.64, then we got this rising Bollinger Band. Bollinger Bands are getting tight. So anytime the Bollinger Bands start to compress like this, we're going to get a move. We're going to get a move, and that move is going to be extended outside of the Bollinger Bands, whether it be to the downside or the top side. That's yet to be determined. If it is to the downside, we would need to lose the 50-day moving average of 147. And in fact, I would like to even lose this 150-day simple moving average, and that price is going to be 146.73. 146.73's got $1 down back to the channel that we broke into, and obviously anything below 145.62, 144. I know those are a lot of numbers. The main numbers that we're really looking for is a break below the 50-day moving average of around 147, and then we're going to kind of want to play that into 145. Now to the top side, what we're going to really want to do, there's a sneaky area here over 148, 149. But the safer play would just to be allow it to clear out all levels of supply, get over 150, and then you've got about $1 room into 150, 130. Now here's where, we don't have to worry about this till we get there, but over 150, 130, that's your macro trade to the long side. That would also mean that the market's kind of breaking out to the long side as well. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more information, want to learn how to day trade, you want to learn how to understand the process, you want to understand your psychology, you want to understand what it takes to be a successful trader and consistent and work on yourselves, I'm working on myself each and every single day, and I've been doing this for almost 7 years. I've been doing this for about 5 years, going on 5.5 years full time. With that being said, you need to understand yourself first before you can make money in these markets. If you guys are interested in learning how to do that, all of my information is down in the description box below. Also, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It would definitely help out my YouTube channel and the algorithm, push this video out to more people. To be honest, I'm just going to be real frank, okay? Real frank. There's a lot of great YouTubers out there. There's a ton of guys who talk about the stock market. They're all great. I outwork every single one of them with the amount of content that I put out as far as technical levels for day traders, swing traders, and then your macro investors to kind of understand the big process. No one else is putting out more technical analysis videos than me. Is that a good thing? Is that a bad thing? I don't really know, but I figure if I'm sitting here in front of the charts anyways, got a good look at the view of what's really going on, I might as well share that with everyone else. Guys, I'll see you guys all in the next video.